This is FIMI Mini 3, and today I'll show how you can check the amount of magnetic interference on this drone. So it is a very quick and simple thing to do. You will need to first launch the FIMI Mini app and enter device or open the camera view. Now look at the top right corner of your display and click on the settings icon to launch your preferences. Then here select the drones icon, the first category that you'll see. Now scroll down and you'll find the amount of magnetic interference chart, which shows whether the level of this interference is low, medium or high. In my case, since only one bar glows green, that pretty much means that the magnetic interference is low. It is existent, but it's not that bad. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.